Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the fourth video which is about health insurance. So kindly watch the video completely and then subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. So let's start the topic. The topic is about health insurance. I can help you with information about health insurance. Health insurance is a type of coverage and that helps individuals and families manage the cost associated with medical expenses. It provides financial protection in case of unexpected medical events such as illnesses, injuries, or surgeries. Here are some key points to consider. Types of health insurance: HMO, abbreviation Health Maintenance Organization. HMO plans requires members to choose a primary care physician and gets a referral from the PCP primary care physician to see specialist. These plans usually have lower premiums and out-of-pocket costs but require members to use a network of doctors and hospitals. PPO, Preferred Provider Organization. PPO plans offer more flexibility in choosing healthcare providers and specialists without needing referrals. However, using out-of-network providers often results in higher costs. PPO plans generally have higher premiums but also provide more coverage options. Exclusive Provider Organization. EPO plans are similar to PPO but don't cover any out-of-network care except in emergencies. They offer a balance between HMOs and PPOs in terms of cost and flexibility. Point of service. Point of service plans combine features of HMOs and PPOs. Members choose a primary care doctor and need referral to see specialists, but they can also choose out-of-network care at a higher cost. High deductible health plan (HDHP) with health saving accounts (HSA). HDHP have higher deductibles and lower premiums. They can pair with HSAs, which are tax advantaged accounts where individuals can save money to use for medical expenses. Key terms: premium, the amount you pay regularly, monthly or annually to have health insurance; deductible, the amount you must pay out of pocket before the insurance start covering cost; co-payment, a fixed amount you pay for certain medical services, doctors after meeting the deductible; co-insurance, a percentage of cost you share with the insurance company after meeting the deductible; out-of-pocket maximum limit, the maximum amount you will have to pay in a year, including deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurance. Once reached, the insurance cover 100% of covered expense. Importance of health insurance. Health insurance provides a safety net against unexpected medical expense, encourages preventive cares, and offers access to a network of healthcare providers. In many countries, having health insurance is mandatory, and not having it can lead to financial strain and limited healthcare options. It is important to research and choose a health insurance plan that aligns with your healthcare needs and budget. Different plans offer varying levels of coverage, network options, and cost, so it is recommended to compare plans carefully before making a decision. Remember that health insurance policies can change, so it's good practice to review your coverage annually to ensure it still meets your needs. Always read the policy documents and ask questions if you are unsure about any aspect of your coverage. Proceeding our topic about the health insurance is a type of coverage that pays for medical and surgical expenses incurred by the insured individual. It can also provide financial protection against the high cost of healthcare services, including doctor's visit, hospitals stays, prescription medications, and preventive care. So here are some key points and concepts related to health insurance. The first point is premium. This is the amount you pay to insurance company regularly, usually monthly, to maintain your health insurance coverage. Deductibility: the deductible is the amount you must pay for covered healthcare services before your insurance plan starts to pay. For example, if you have $1,000 deductible, you will need to pay the first $1,000 of covered healthcare expenses of your pocket before your insurance kicks in. Co-payment: co-payment is basically a fixed amount you pay for certain covered healthcare services after you have paid your deductible. For example, you might have a $20 copay for a doctor visit. The fourth point is co-insurance. Co-insurance is the percentage of cost you share with your insurance company after you have met your deductible. For example, if your plan has 20% co-insurance, you will pay 20% of the covered cost and your insurance company will pay the remaining 80%. The fifth point is OOP max, which is out of pocket maximum. This is the most you have to pay for covered services in a plan year. Once you have reached this limit, your insurance company pays 100% of your covered healthcare expenses. Network: many insurance plans have a network of doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare providers. If you use providers outside of this network, your cost may be higher or the services might not be covered at all. The seventh point is preventive care. Most health insurance plans cover certain preventive services like vaccinations and screenings at no cost to you. This is to encourage people to get regular checkups and preventive care. The eighth point is about type of health insurance. There are various types of health insurance plans, including uh, health maintenance organization (HMOs), preferred provider organization (PPOs), exclusive provider organization (EPOs), and point of services plans. These plans have different rules and costs, and they may have varying levels of flexibility in choosing healthcare providers. Government health insurance. In many countries, governments provide health insurance programs to citizens such as Medicare for elderly and some disabled individuals and Medicaid for low-income individuals and families. In the United States, other countries have their own nationalized health care systems. Private health insurance. Many people purchase private health insurance plans through their employers or on their own. These plans can vary widely in terms of coverage, cost, and provider network. 11th point is about the marketplace or exchange. Marketplace or exchange: in some countries there are health insurance marketplaces or exchanges where individuals and families can compare and purchase health insurance plans. These exchanges often offer subsidies to help lower income individuals afford coverage. The last point is open enrollment period. This is a specific period during which Individuals can enroll in or make changes to their health insurance plans. Outside of this period, you may only be able to make changes to your coverage if you qualify for a special enrollment period due to certain life events like marriages or the birth of the child. In order to conclude the topic about health insurance, it is important to carefully review and understand the terms and coverages of any health insurance plans you are considering, as different plans can have significant variations in terms of cost, coverage, and provider option. Additionally, healthcare laws and regulation can vary by country to country. So the specific of health insurance can differ depending on where you live. Thank you. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos like